10 common personal injury questions answered by a lawyer. If you've been injured due to someone else's negligence, you may have a lot of questions. It's important to understand your rights and the legal process for seeking compensation for your injuries. 1. What is a personal injury? Personal injury refers to any harm suffered by an individual due to someone else's negligence or intentional act. It can include physical, emotional, or psychological injuries, as well as financial losses. 2. What should I do if I've been injured in an accident? If you've been injured in an accident, it's important to seek medical attention right away, even if your injuries don't seem serious. It's also a good idea to gather as much evidence as possible, including photos, witness statements, and medical records. 3. Should I speak to the other party's insurance company? It's generally not a good idea to speak to the other party's insurance company without first consulting with a lawyer. A lawyer can help you navigate the insurance claims process and ensure that your rights are protected. 4. How long do I have to file a personal injury claim? The statute of limitations for personal injury claims varies by state and by the type of injury. It's important to consult with a lawyer as soon as possible after your injury to ensure that you don't miss any important deadlines. 5. How much is my personal injury case worth? The value of your personal injury case will depend on a variety of factors, including the severity of your injuries, the extent of your financial losses, and the level of fault of the other party. 6. Do I need a lawyer for my personal injury case? The legal process can be complex and confusing, and insurance companies are often more willing to settle for less when dealing with unrepresented individuals. 7. How long does a personal injury case take to resolve? The timeline for resolving a personal injury case can vary widely depending on the complexity of the case and the willingness of the other party to negotiate a settlement. A lawyer can help you understand the likely timeline for your case and work to resolve it as quickly and fairly as possible. 8. What if I can't afford a lawyer? Many personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, which means that they only get paid if you receive a settlement or judgment in your favor. Additionally, some lawyers offer free initial consultations, so you can get a better understanding of your case and your options before committing to hiring a lawyer. 9. What if the other party doesn't have insurance? If the other party doesn't have insurance, it may be more difficult to recover compensation for your injuries. However, you may still be able to pursue a claim against the other party directly, or seek compensation from your own insurance policy if you have uninsured motorist coverage or a similar type of coverage. 10. What if I am partially at fault for the accident? The amount of compensation you receive may be reduced by your percentage of fault, but you may still be entitled to some compensation.